I'm Nancy, your brand strategist, and this is storytelling.
You actually like this?
Keep reading.
So in this video I'm going to tell you what storytelling is and let's say what it should be for your business. I suppose that a lot of people think that storytelling is just like once upon a time there was this thing and that kind of stuff. But no, storytelling in marketing is actually telling a story of your customers being happy. That's it. That's a bit too easy, right? But that's it. That's actually it. I mean, with your marketing, your paid advertising or whatever, you want to show people their end result, how they will be happy with your product or service. But you will get their attention showing the current state. For instance, there's an awesome commercial, the Vigorsoul commercial, and you see that guy with his little dog crossing the street. As soon as he starts chewing the chewing gum, he becomes whatever people would love to see in him. He is a great basketball player, he is like an action figure, he is a wolf, he is whatever people want them to look like. So for each and every person on the street, being cool is something different from the others. But chewing that gum, he will be cool for everyone. So there's the beginnings, just a normal guy, regular guy with his dog crossing the street. And then he starts chewing and turns out to be the coolest thing ever on that street. It's gonna look like cool for everyone, literally everyone, the dog too. I mean, that's difficult. And just because he is chewing that gum. It's not actually possible, but come on, it's funny and it shows a story. The beginning, the struggle, the resolution, the gain, everything that a story needs in 30 seconds. That's awesome. Also, the Lisoform commercial shows a mom cleaning the floors and being a superhero for the kid. That's what a mom wants, being a superhero for the kid. The super mom. That's it, that's a story. And that's the same thing you want to do with your product or service. You want to show the initial state of your customer, then show a better future, a better version of themselves, thanks to your product or service. And that's a way to not talk about features, because I mean you want to talk about benefits, and the benefit is the better person that your customer is going to be thanks to your product or service. That's it. That's what storytelling is. Easy, right? In case you need a little help, you're officially invited to my webinar, which I do each and every Sunday, and so you will be able to create your own marketing message, your storytelling too, because storytelling is marketing and marketing needs storytelling. And that's what you're going to be able to do at the end of the webinar. You can find a link to register in the comments below. In the comments below you will find the link to download today's freebie, which is a little infographic that will help you build your own story. In the comments below you can also find links to connect with me on other social media, so in case you do not have a YouTube account, we can totally take the discussion outside of YouTube. But in case you do have a YouTube account, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips, and let's make everyone love your business as much as you do. Thanks for watching, I see you next time with a new quick marketing tip and a new downloadable freebie.